request a queued task or a scheduled task and must return the response data which 60 seconds. A request handler can span sub process or execute code after the response has been sent. So use App Engine when you don't want to get the trouble for the setting up a server. You want to instance of for free nearly infinite scalability support. Your application traffic is spiky and rather unpredictable. You don't feel like taking care of your own server monitoring tools. You need pricing that fits your actual usage and is not time slot based. You are able to chunk long task into 60-second pieces. You are able to work without direct access to local platform as a service. So here having different type of URLs to provide different type of languages, Java, Python, more informations. So Google App Engine offered refer to a GAE, that means Google App Engine, or the simple App Engine is a platform as a service cloud computing platform for developing host web applications in Google managed data centers. Applications are a sandbox and run across multiple servers. App Engine of automatic scaling for web applications. As a number of requests increases for an application, App Engine automatically allocates more resources for the web application to handle the additional demand. Google App Engine is free up to certain level of consumed resources. Fees are charged for additional storage bandwidth or instance hours required by the application. It was first released a preview version in April 2008, come out of preview in September 2011. Why App Engine? Lower total cost of ownership, rich set of APIs, fully featured SDK for local development, ease of deployment. So components, language runtime, web-based admin console, scalable infrastructure, SDK. These are the main components of Google App Engine. So SDK runs on locally, easy deploy, then manage app versions, application programming interface, and language Python or Java programming. So Google architecture of Google App Engine. So client capabilities, cloud computing services, support services is going to be integrated with Google Web Toolkit, GWT, Mashup Editor, Google Gaze and Google Gadgets others, and Google App Engine having Python and Django, dynamic scalable of runtime. So after finally supports services to GAE, Google App Engine data storage and Google data and Google accounts, social graph API and others. So Google data storage architecture, Google applications and the user applications, API 1, API 0 and other languages that provide data storage using programming supports, language supports in Google App Engine, and big table master server, logical table management, load balancing and garbage collection. This is a tablet server 0, 1, 2 server n. Google file system provide using other file system store the data in database. So Google App Engine and Amazon Web Services having cloud service platform supported. The separate difference between Google App Engine and Amazon Web Services: storage. For example, cloud services means PaaS, and here Amazon Web Services PaaS and IaaS. Platform supported Linux, Windows Server 2008. Here Linux, Open Solaris, Windows Server 2003 also supported in Amazon Web Services. Virtualization platform, application container, here OS level running and Zen hypervisor. Storage is big table and a mega storage. Here Amazon simple storage and a simple database. Control interface API. Here API command line language supported Java and Python. Here Java, PHP, Python, Ruby. Then load balancing is auto. Here round robin. Data after termination. Google will not take any action for 90 days after the effective date of termination. Amazon will not take any action for a period of 30 days after the effective date of termination. Advantages of Google App Engine: infrastructure for security, scalability, performance and reliability, cost savings, platform independence. Disadvantages of GAP: you are at Google mercy, violation of policies, forgetting posting, it is not free. What's next? More languages of App Engine, schedule jobs, large download, upload support, purchasing additional